Hi there, my name's Toby from FormAlign. We're going to run a quick product demonstration today to show you how to use the U2 hardware that mounts the backrest onto the wheelchair. So you can see here I've got the popular Ignite range with an assist cushion, so set up here. But we're going to focus on the U2 hardware, and the U2 hardware comes with all our backrests. So whether you're looking at the one-piece Ignite range, whether we're looking at the support backrest or the deep contour backrest. The U2 hardware, very, very easy to use, but incredibly adjustable within the off-the-shelf brackets. So looking at behind the backrest itself, we are looking at the 2-point U2 system, which is very, very common, very popular on all the backrests, as I mentioned. And we're going to look at some of the ways we can set it up. So at the moment we have the clamps in a rearward facing position and with the backrest in the forward position. So I've reduced the seat depth by bringing the backrest forward through these slots here. However, if I wanted to reduce my seat depth further, I could simply swap the left clamp and the right clamp and have the left clamp forward facing and the right clamp forward facing. So we go left to right and right to left. I'll just show you what that looks like and how easy it is to do. So release the backrest, vertical lift, straight off the wheelchair, very, very easy to use. We're then left with our clamps on the wheelchair. So with a 5mm Allen key, I'm going to remove these. You can see here. Okay, so we've taken the right side away. We're now going to remove the left clamp. And all I do is simply reverse the clamps. So forward facing. And you can start to see the impact of this if you've got a wheelchair that you really want to keep the frame, but you need to reduce the seat depth very quickly. This is what we can do, whether it be an assessment or a setup of a chair for someone whose needs have changed. Very, very easy to work with. So do that, no extra components needed. Tighten that one up, so you can see tightening that up there. We now have the clamps forward facing, and we simply lift up the backrest and slot that back into the channels. Obviously we need to make sure they're set properly, lock that in, and then the blue tabs are now forward facing and we can lock that down. Now straight away you can see the impact for the seat depth, because the backrest is another 3.5 inches further forward. And for your peace of mind, we'd like you to know that the system has been crash tested forward facing like this and rearward facing. So that's a really important point, so that when you're setting the backrest up, you're not worrying that you're compromising. That is crash tested in both directions. On that note around crash testing, we then look at the height adjustment on the slot that runs from top to bottom on the shell. And again, that's the same across the Ignite range and the support range. Now, you might be thinking, yes, it's adjustable in terms of the shell height, but from a crash test point of view, where is it safe to set it? Where is it safe to lock it? Now, what we've done is we've crash tested the system at the bottom of the slot. So I'll show you what I mean. We'll slacken this off. Just do the 10mm nuts at the back here. And I know that I can bring this all the way up to the top section there. So it's crash tested in this position, as in the clamps at the bottom of this slot here. The point being, it's the weakest point of the backrest shell. So we know anywhere else on that slot there is stronger. In addition to that, it's been crash tested with a headrest on as well. So we've gone for the worst case scenario, and it's passed with flying colours. So wherever else it is mounted, we know we're safe. Thank you.